Sushke Chalinder Yadav. I will discuss the above topic in Java keyword. The Java keyword are also known as a reserved word. Keyword are particular word that act as a key to a code. These are a predefined word by Java, so they cannot be used as a variable or object name or class name. Java is keyword, 52 keyword and three letters. Java keyword, a list of Java keyword or reserved word is first one keyword is abstract. Java abstract keyword is used to declare an abstract class. An abstract class can provide the implementation of the interface. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. Second keyword is Boolean. Java Boolean keyword is used to declare a variable as a Boolean type. It can hold true and false value only. And third keyword is break keyword. Java break keyword is used to break the loop of switch statement. It breaks the current flow of the program at specific condition. And fourth keyword is a byte. Java byte keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 8 bytes data value. And fifth keyword is case keyword. Java case keyword is used with the switch statement to mark a block of text. And sixth keyword is catch. Java catch keyword is used to catch the expectation generated by the statement. It must be used after the try block only. And seven keyword is a char keyword. Java char keyword is used to declare a variable the loop. And ninth keyword is a continue. Java continue keyword is used to continue the loop. It continue the current flow of the program and skip the remaining code the specified condition. And next keyword is default keyword. Java default keyword is used to specify the default block of code in switch statement. And next keyword is do. Java do keyword is used to the control statement to declare a loop. It can iterate a part of the program several times. And next keyword is double. Java double keyword is used to declare a variable. It can hold 64-bit floating point number. And next keyword is else keyword. Java else keyword is used to indicate the alternative branches in a if statement. And next keyword is enum keyword. Java enum keyword is used to define a fixed set of constant. Enum constructor are always private or default. And next keyword extend. Java extend keyword is used to indicate that a class is derived from another class to interface. And next keyword final keyword. The final keyword is used to indicate that is a variable holds constant value. It is used with a variable. It is used to restrict the user from uploading the value of the variable. And thank you.